The Huawei Mate 80 comes with 6.75 inches Full HD plus LTPO OLED display, 120Hz, and Kunlun Glass 2 protection. Rear cameras 50 megapixel main plus 12 megapixel periscope telephoto and 40 megapixel ultrawide with 4K video, 13 megapixel selfie with 4K video, powered by Kirin 9027 nanometer chipset. It runs on Harmony OS 6.0, comes with 12 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes storage, no micro SD. Comes backed by a 5750 mAh battery with 66 watt. Charging, measures 7.95 millimeters thickness and 217 grams weight, and colors obsidian black, dawn gold, snow white and spruce green. Other features include side fingerprint sensor, face unlock, dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68. IP69 rating. Pricing starts at 4,699 Chinese yuan for the 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes model.